This training is going to cover managing the navigation, primarily reordering. As with any page, there's an option in it to determine whether it is or isn't in the navigation. But once you have a page in the navigation, you can control that order. If I would like to control the navigation for my training folder, I would simply click on the training folder. I see my list of pages in that training folder. I could then go to the order column and select that, and it will reorder them by the sequential number. So this is the order they would appear in my navigation. If I would like to change the order, I can simply use the arrow keys to move items up one or down one. If I'd like to move something all the way to the top, I can use the arrow with the line above it. If I want to move it all the way to the bottom, the arrow with the line below it. From this screen, you can also go directly into the edit screen for pages as well as delete pages. Once you've reordered your pages, so in this case I'm going to go ahead and move my tabs page above my accordion page so we can see the change. Once I've done that, it'll be automatically changed over here in Cascade, but if I want it to be changed on my live site, I will have to publish all of the pages. The easiest way to do that would be to select the checkbox next to name, and that'll check all pages. I don't need to publish my folders that have images and files in it, so I'm just going to uncheck those. Once I'm done there, I'm just going to go to the bulk action pull down at the bottom and simply select publish. When I do that, it's going to tell me how many items I had selected and ask me if I'm sure. As soon as I hit submit, it's going to run through publishing. So you'll see a publish queue, and it'll work on 2 files at a time and push them through. Once this is done, the live site will now have a navigation that matches inside of Cascade Server. The reason we have to publish all the pages is that the website and the content management system are separated, basically for uptime purposes. So if something happens to the content management system and it goes down, the website still stays up. This does create a little extra work that we have to do to make sure that we get all the pages updated, but once you're used to the process, it's quite easy. Now all my pages have been updated on the live site, but if I go to any one of my pages in that folder and I now look at the navigation, you can see my tabs page was moved above my accordion.